Today we're going to be making the classic old-fashioned.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making an old-fashioned. And I'm going to start out with a teaspoon of sugar. I'm just going to put that in the cup by itself.
All right, the next step is to get some bitters. And we're going to put around 4 dashes of bitters. And we're going to turn this into a liquid.
I'm going to muddle it all together. We're going to get it mixed together and...
All right, then we're going to add a half a cup of ice.
And then we're going to add in 2 ounces of bourbon. 1, 2.
Then we're going to stir it all together. Next up is the orange. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut off a little piece of the orange, kind of thick. And then what we want to do is burn the backside of it. And that's going to release the oils. And we're going to get that zest in there. And we're going to rub it on the edge. We're going to rub it inside to get that orange. And then drop it in.
We're going to garnish with a cherry. And there you go. All right.
And then let's give it a shot. That's a classic old-fashioned.
I'm not going to try this.
She's not a bourbon drinker.
No, not at all.
But yeah, that's great. And this is why we drink.
drink.
All right, see you next week.
See ya.